Happy Monday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We have this cold front which is already pushing in quite a lot of cloud into the Southern Cape areas, but it's going to stay dry over these areas throughout the rest of your Monday. However, as the cold front moves further east, drizzly conditions are expected to set in along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Rainy weather is forecast for KwaZulu-Natal later on this Monday, extending into the easternmost parts of Mpumalanga in the evening. This afternoon, it's going to become partly cloudy for much of northeastern South Africa with a chance of rain showers across the Highveld areas. It's going to be mostly sunny across the western parts of South Africa. Now, we are expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of precipitation for the rest of your Monday along the Eastern Cape coastal areas, much of KwaZulu-Natal, the eastern parts of the Free State and northwest, much of Gauteng, as well as the western areas of Limpopo, pushing down into parts of the Mpumalanga province. Now, here's how warm it is going to be in your part of South Africa this Monday. A high of 23 is forecast for Mahikeng, just a degree cooler for Johannesburg and Polokwane. 23 as well for the high in Mbombela. It's going to stay rather chilly, however, for Emelo, peaking at just around 16 degrees. A cool to mild Monday is forecast across much of the Eastern Cape, but it's going to be warmer for KwaZulu-Natal and the Free State, where highs in the upper teens and lower 20s are forecast in most areas. Light to moderate winds are forecasted this Monday for the Eastern Cape coastal areas, but the winds get fresh to strong along the KZN coastal areas. Top temperatures around 21 degrees are forecast for Port St. John's, Durban, as well as Richards Bay. We are going to see temperatures staying in the upper teens and lower 20s across the Southern Cape areas. Rather warm, however, for Vredendal, warming to around 24 degrees. Top temperatures in the upper teens are forecast along the southwest coastline and the south coast, and we're expecting swell heights of the south coast to stay at around 2.5 meters, with the swell continually coming from a southwesterly direction, and the high tide along the south coast is expected around midday this Monday. It's going to be cool for the southern areas of the Northern Cape, with Sutherland peaking at just 14 degrees, 16 for Colesberg. Warmer over the northeastern areas, where highs in the lower 20s are expected. Light to moderate southeasterlies are forecast along much of the west coast, where top temperatures in the lower 20s are forecast in most areas. Swell heights of the west coast will average around 2 meters, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be mostly sunny for your Tuesday across the western half of South Africa, but we will continue to see wet weather across the eastern areas.